crystal too thin, it's going to not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm going to floating the white top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. As you see, I didn't spread my bristle at all. I keep it nice and just really gentle on the top of the condensed glue gels. So then that way it will not pull the condensed glue gel off at all. So I am go ahead and oh, I like that one. Oh, I want the big one though. They're so beautiful. Maybe I should do a big one. No, do a smaller one. So I did the first one. It's really big one. I love this. It's all in the under $5 nail art. So if you want to like playing out, check out the crystal placements too. Check out the crystal trifecta, and also the $5 nail art is so much fun. That had a lot of elements in there. It has so many crystal in one jar, so then you have plenty of a crystal to play with to check them out. And then there are some of the baby meat jar, like majority baby meat jars had to cool a lot of the element, which is frame charms, and also have the metal beads as well. So press it down, like place it to crystal and then just give a little bit press down. So to make sure they are staying nice and snug in inside of the condensed glue gels. And the white top coat. I'm gonna using some of the frame. Just use a silver frame. You can use gold or however you would like. Did I do it right?
Mm-hmm. Bring it up just a second. There you go. That's perfect.
All right. So you can turn your frame however you want. And add some couple more frame. I love working and playing with the frame. So here's a lot of questions who ask, how do you start with a crystal placement? Really simple. If you see that the centerpiece that I have, which is a big centerpiece, you can start from that centerpiece first, and then you can place all the crystal and frame and charm like tight, like snug right next to it. So then it not only looks gorgeous, also it's going to make it really cool, like have a link to all the designs, all the crystal, all the charm and chain. So it's actually is connect to each other, and it will help your crystal stay even last longer. So I am go ahead and apply some cute beads, metal beads. You can get the metal beads. It's like really simply from a baby mix jar. Also, it had this owned of a baby mix jar of just the beads itself. I've been doing silver frame lately. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Whatever you do, if you're placing one of yours if you're placing one of yours big crystal, which is a big centerpiece, and then you can add the smaller right after. So it's always created this really cool design. It doesn't matter whatever designs you are doing, you can do it right from a cuticle area, or you can do it on the middle of the nails, or you can do it right on the angle diagonals. Doesn't matter what is design you are going to create. So you can stop at any point as you prefer. And then if the clients just want to add a little bit extra more, you can continue doing it. However, you can stop at any point, and I did it earlier. So on the clients, I mean for the client's request, if they want to get like really dramatic, you can add beads on. If they don't want any beads on, they just like, you can just create it with the crystal itself. It doesn't have to have the beads on. If the client's like, I really want to look at like jewelry, then you can add it on. But not, then you are good to go. Oh, I like that a lot. Really dramatic. And the best things about condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, you can able to adjusting it, adjust it first before you are going to final cure under LED lights. So I'm happy with it. So we're going to go ahead and cure. Other crystal funds, I'm using it from a baby mid jars.